Our school is proud of our strong connections that run throughout the greater Bensley community. And we look forward to continuing those strong connections when our brand new building opens in the fall of 2026.
It's clear that our school board and our board of supervisors agree that Chesterfield County must provide top quality teaching and learning environments to affirm to families that they are making their homes in the right place. Thanks to our local leaders and voters, our students are learning in high quality environments designed to help them achieve.
Today's ceremonial groundbreaking marks not just the beginning of the building project, but also the opening of new opportunities for our children and our community. Of course, we all know that schools are more than just bricks and mortar. Schools are where memories are made, friendships are formed, dreams take flight, and futures are built.